Vaihan is entering.
Morning,
So our
ma'am.
new topic, we are going. Who is talking still? We are going to start about the two-dimensional figure and three-dimensional figure. What is meant by two-dimensional figure means the rectangle. Have you seen two-dimensional figure means it is having length as well as breadth. If length and breadth is there, then it is called a two-dimensional figure. Okay?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
I'm telling now. Now, rectangle. Have you seen this shape?
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me.
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
what is the how
Yes,
can
1 minute.
three-dimensional?
Yes, wait, 1 minute.
Like a box.
Yes,
Am I shown?
yes, wait. I will show you. Have you seen the blackboard in your classroom? You have seen your blackboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Only length is there, breadth is there. No. So TV box. Have you seen TV box in your house?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the difference between TV box and a blackboard?
Ma'am,
It's small.
it is small. That it is slim and the other the TV
Yes,
box is
because
fat.
blackboard
Blackboard was big.
Blackboard
TV.
is big also, and its shape also you can see the difference. Okay.
Yes.
My mobile phone.
This is the shape. Have you seen your TV box in your house? This will be the shape. Some of them will be having like this shape.
And that is like 3D.
Yes. Some of them will be having this type of shapes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
And
The-
like shape.
These are
I
called, listen now, don't talk in between. Devadat, please mute. These type of these are called solids. This type of box, Ashwin is showing. Box. Box means something will be there inside it.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
This is a box. Have you seen this? Have you seen this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Something in the TV box you can keep.
Ma'am, also magnet is like that.
Yes. In the TV box you can keep the TV inside. But in the blackboard, can you keep anything inside of that?
No.
No. Because it is having only length and breadth is there. Here, height is also represented. Length is there, breadth is there, and height is also there. Okay. Such type of figures are called three-dimensional figures. You have seen the three-dimensional 3D picture.
Globe.
Globe. Yes. Globe is also a three-dimensional figure. You have seen the 3D pictures. Because the tree is showing everything they will be showing. Complete picture they will be showing. And two-dimensional figures means
Ma'am, Ashwin
showing
has
only rectangle, only this triangles, all these they are showing. So what is the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures means two-dimensional figures will be having only length and breadth.
bread.
This is the rectangle. You can see rectangle or square. You can see here. It is a rectangle. There is no only length is there, breadth is there. You cannot keep any height.
Two-dimensional
This is
figure.
a two-dimensional
Two-dimensional figure.
because only length is there, breadth is there, no height. You cannot keep anything inside that. Such type of figures, what are they called? Two-dimensional figures. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen the TV box. In the TV box, some TV boxes in your house you can see it is. You can see some TV boxes in the shape of a, and this type of box is called a cube. This is called a three-dimensional figure, and it is a height, length, breadth, and height is also there. Therefore, it is called a three-dimensional solid. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if you are taking this three-dimensional figure is opened. If you are opening this three-dimensional figure, this will be before making this figure, you are opening this. If you are keeping this, it is a three-dimensional figure or two-dimensional figure now. Can you see?
Three-dimensional.
It's a three-dimensional because length is there, breadth is there, height is also there. Something it is like a box. Okay. Therefore, it is a three-dimensional figure. If you are opening this, this will be the same shape what you have seen.
I went out.
Yes, wait. Yes, tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, a Rubik's cube is a three-dimensional
Yes, it is a
figure.
three-dimensional figure, cube type. Rubik's
Ma'am,
cube
but
is
anything cannot put inside that.
cannot keep anything inside, but length is there, breadth is there, and height is also there. Okay. Yes, length, breadth, and height is also there because Rubik's cube is constructed like that. The shape of the cube is like that because it is used for playing. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, this is the Rubik's cube is also a type of three-dimensional solid. If you open this three-dimensional figure, what is the shape now? Each one will become a square. What is meant by square? All the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. Then it is called a square. So if a three-dimensional figure is opened, you will get a two-dimensional figure. And this type of process is called the net of dimensional figures you are learning. They are called the solids. Okay. So what is the first solid you are going to study about? Which is the first solid? That is about the cube. Cube is a solid. You are going to study about it. Length is there, breadth is there, as well as height is also there. Yes, Rubik's cube is also a solid. Very good question he asked because it is used for playing. TV box means you are keeping the box inside. TV you can keep it inside. Yes, Niranjana, correct. So if it is open, so your box constructed like this. The people those who are making the box, they made some squares and they will fold it. That is the, now it became a three-dimensional figure. Is it clear? So what is meant by a net of a solid? Solid means, what is meant by solid? It is a three-dimensional figure. What is meant by three-dimensional figure, Ashwin?
Yes,
What is-
a cube.
No. What is meant by three-dimensional figure? Length, breadth,
And height.
breadth and height. Your blackboard. Is it a three-dimensional?
And height.
2 dimensions.
It's a two-dimensional figure. Okay, only length is there. You cannot. Only figure is drawn there. Nothing is there inside that. Yes. Is it clear now? So what is the shape called this? How many faces are there? You can see how many two-dimensional shapes. Figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there. So if a cube is opened, you will get 6 faces. And what are the shapes of each 6 face?
Square.
Square. Okay. So what is the process of net? What is meant by net? Three-dimensional figure is unfolded to get a two-dimensional figure. That is called what? Net of a solid. So first definition, what is the first definition now? What is meant by two-dimensional figure? GB Chan, what is meant by two-dimensional figure? Only length and breadth will be there. Only
No height.
length
No
and
height.
height
No
will be
height.
there for a two-dimensional figure. Only
Figure.
length will be there.
Only
and
length.
also will be there.
Length and breadth.
Length and breadth. This is a two-dimensional.
Length and
Okay, length will be there, breadth will be there.
breadth.
The example for, and if you are folding, then what are the examples for three-dimensional figure?
Rubik's cube.
And height, the length will be different. This type of solid is called cuboid. So what are
Cuboid. I know cuboid.
so first one is, what is the first three-dimensional figure you are going to study now? First one is cube.
Cube.
What is meant by cube?
Three-dimensional. Three-dimensional figure.
And the next one is called a cuboid. Cuboid means
Cuboid.
by cuboid,
Three-dimensional figure.
Two-dimensional
three-dimensional.
figure.
It's a three-dimensional figure. Okay, this is the shape of a cube. You can see here. Okay. Yes.
We
And that is cuboid, right?
What is
And
it
that is
called?
cuboid, right?
Yes, it is a cuboid because length not came equal, so it is called
Cuboid.
Yes. One more minute. No.
Now we can draw.
Yes. Wait. Cube is not there. Here, let us see this figure. No, this is,
I will show.
don't show. That is not this. So what is meant by, did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And for a cuboid, what is the difference? Length and opposite sides length will be same, but the breadth will be different. So, but height also will be there. Okay. Length,
ma'am.
breadth and height for a cuboid. Cuboid means all the 6 faces will not be equal. 4 faces will be rectangle and 2 faces may be
Square.
square. 2 faces it can be
Cuboid is same length and breadth.
cube is same for all the 6 faces, but cuboid is not same. Now, if you are opening this figure also, you will get different types of, you can
Figures.
see how many solid, how many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 4 rectangles and 2 squares are there. Okay. 4 rectangles. And what is it? Is it a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional?
2-dimensional.
It's a 2-dimensional figure. So 3-dimensional figures, you unfold that to get a 2D figure. That is called net of a solid. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what are the 3 important 3-dimensional figures, Megha?
Length.
No. What are the important 3D pictures? Cube. What is the first
Cube.
name?
Cuboid.
And cuboid.
First one is cube.
Cube.
Second one,
Cuboid.
cuboid. Okay. Difference between the cube and cuboid will be little bit because 4 faces will be rectangle and 2 faces will be square. Okay. Third figure you can see. The third figure is called a cylinder.
Cylinder. Ma'am, I know.
Cylinder. The third figure I will show the picture here. Cylinder.
Cone.
Yes.
I get.
This will be the
This
shape
is-
of a cylinder. Yes. Yes, cylinder, correct, Ashwin. So if you are folding like this, it will become a cylinder. It is a 3D or 2-dimensional figure, Ivana? Is it a 3D figure or 2-dimensional figure? 3-dimensional figure. Breadth is also there. Height is, breadth you cannot say for cylinder. Then it will be some curved faces are there. And height is also there. Now if it is opened, what you can see here? Adnan?
2 circles.
Yes, 2 circles.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Yes,
Ma'am,
2 circles
rectangle.
and 1 rectangle. 2 circles and 1
One rectangle.
Is it okay now? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is called a cone.
A cone. Cone.
Ma'am, I know.
I
Ice
know.
cream cone. Ma'am,
Cone,
ice cream.
ice cream cone. You have seen the ice cream
Yes.
cone. And now you can see what is the shape.
Ma'am, birthday hat. Birthday hat.
Birthday cat.
Birthday hat.
Yes. You can see one curved surface.
Cone.
A
Ma'am,
curved
ice cream cone.
and a circle. This is the, this will be the shape of what?
Cone.
Cone.
Hello, good. Miss class illa pinne vilikka. Okay, this is the shape of what? Cone. And is it a 2-dimensional figure or 2-dimensional figure?
3D.
And if it is opened, Ivan Eric, what you can see now?
One circle.
One circle and one curve shape. Okay, so these are called, yes, these are called the net of a solid. Okay, what is meant by the net of a solid? If you are unfolding the 3-dimensional, folding means you are making it one. This is now you are folding. Okay, if you are making different, then it is called unfolding.
Unfolding.
Unfolding. If you are folding 2-dimensional figure, if you are making folding, you will get a 3D figure. 3-dimensional figure, if you are unfolding, you will get a 2-dimensional figure.
What is unfolding?
That one only. If folding means you are doing like this, making it one. Unfolding means you are removing it, opening it. Folding. This is folding. You are folding the paper and you are unfolding the paper. Okay. So you can see the different shapes. What is the shape of this now? Kashinath, what is the shape of this now? What is the shape? Kashinath, what is the shape? Riyan?
Cube.
Now what is the shape? Riyan?
Square.
Cube.
Cube. It is a cube. Yes,
Cube.
Devananda. It is open. Now what is the shape, Devananda?
Square.
Square. It became a square. That means you are unfolded. First you folded this. Now what is
Cube.
the shape?
Cube.
Cube. And it is unfolded now.
Square.
Square. So that is the difference between a three-dimensional figure is unfolded to form a two-dimensional figure. Then it is called the net of a solid. Okay. What is meant by net of a solid? Three-dimensional figure is unfolded to form a two-dimensional figure. That is called what? That is called the net of the solid. Is it clear now? Yes or no?
Yes,
George,
ma'am.
can you tell me the definition of a net?
Yes, ma'am.
What is meant by the net of a solid? Yes.
If we take a cube,
Ah.
then it is a 3D dimensional figure.
Three-dimensional, 3D.
Three-dimensional figure.
Three-dimensional figure. Yes.
If we unfold it,
Yes.
then it will be two-dimensional figure.
Two-dimensional figure. So what you can say? How will you define it?
Then it is called
yes.
net
Solid.
of.
How will you define it? Yes, Niranjana, she did the unfolding now. Then three-dimensional figure is unfolded to form a 2D figure. Then it is called a net of the solid. In the net of a cube, net of any solid you can say. Then now I am telling the example of a cube. A cube is having how many faces in the two-dimensional figure? This is the net of a cube because six faces are there. What is the shape of each, Wasim? What is the shape of each face? Square. How many faces are there? So a cube is unfolded, or the net of a cube is having 6 faces. All the 6 faces are squares. Okay? Is it clear? Ashwin, can you tell me the definition of a net? Net of what is meant by solid? What are the examples of solid? Yes. Tell
And
me.
cube.
What are the examples for solid?
Cone.
Cube,
Cuboid.
cuboid,
Cylinder.
cylinder, cone.
Cone.
Cone. These are the important. Still many are there. So depending upon the shapes, there will be different types of solids are there. Okay, that one you will study in future. Then these are the important solids you have to study. Yes.
Ball.
Ball. Ball is the sphere. It is called a sphere. Okay, it is also a three-dimensional figure.
Atmosphere.
Yes. You studied about the globe. Globe is also a three-dimensional figure. Yes. It is looking like, it is the shape of a sphere. Yes.
Ma'am, so you
Yes.
putting a background. Christo.
Christo is putting the background.
Yeah, ma'am.
For what, Christo, you are doing all these things?
Look, ma'am.
Christo is restlessness. Restless. Yes. So, what are the important 3D picture, 3D figures, Sehra? What are the important 3D figures? Advait Rajiv?
Plus
Yes. Cube,
cuboid.
cuboid, cylinder, cone. Cone.
Cuboid.
Cuboid, cylinder, cone. These are the important three-dimensional figures. Okay? Okay, finish. 10 minutes. Yes. Next one. The another three-dimensional figure is, this is called the cuboid. What is the difference between cube and cuboid, Christo?
3.
Cube and cuboid.
You have 3-dimensional.
It is a three-dimensional figure, but
Cuboid is 2.
No. Cuboid is having all the 6 faces same. Whereas cube is having all the 6 faces same. Whereas in cuboid, you can find 4 faces same and 2 faces different. Okay?
Yes.
4 rectangular faces and 2 square faces. Okay? What is the next solid? Next solid is, what is this? Cylinder. You can see the cylinder. Cylinder. If you are, this is also a 3-dimensional figure. Yes, Christo. What happened, Christo? Mute yourself. Don't do so many things there. Yes, this is a 3-dimensional figure. If it is, Christo, please don't do all these things now. Then, if it is a 3-dimensional figure, now you are opening it. Is it 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional now?
3.
Open.
2-dimensional.
Unfolded, folding.
One rectangle and 2
Yes,
circles.
1 rectangle and 2 circles. You should remember for all these shapes in the exam. Don't forget it. What is the shape of this, Parthasarathi? What is the shape?
Cone.
Cone. Now, if you are, is it a 3-dimensional figure or 2-dimensional figure, Farhan? Cone. Now, is it a 3-dimensional?
2.
Cone.
3
George. Is it 3 or 2? What type of cone?
When cone is 3-dimensional.
3-dimensional figure. Now we are unfolding it. What is the shape of here?
2.
Yes, it is also 2-dimensional.
2-dimensional figure.
Yes, Devananda. What is the shape now? What is the shape you got?
Ma'am, circle and protractor.
Yes, circle and curved surface, not protractor. Circle and a curved
circle.
curved face, curved surface. Okay, you can say. Okay, so what you studied now, Christo? What are the things you learned? Others, all of you mute. What are the things you learned?
The cuboid.
Yes, cuboid.
Cube.
Yes,
Sphere.
yes.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Cone.
Cone.
What are they called?
They are called 3-dimensional.
Yes, they are called the 3-dimensional figures. I will give the notes in the next class and we can draw. How will you learn to draw this net of these solids? Is it okay? Did you understand now?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Next class I will explain once again. Okay, bye-bye.